Hello YouTubers, it's Judge Bugs. This is Let's Play Minecraft Creative Mode part something. I think part 2. So yeah. Where am I anyways? Oh yeah. So here's my house. This is my new world. Here's my little dog. My bed, some carpet, my farm, indoor farm. Let's just set this on peaceful. I don't want to deal with any monsters right now. This is basically my house. There's like a really long walkway, as you can see here. I'll show you above. So here's the farm room, right there. And right there is the storage room. There's my dog. If I hit him, he gets hurt. I don't want to do that. And there's a fence, so you won't escape. What else is out here? At first, I was gonna make like a village or something in the water, but that just took too long. That took a lot of cobblestone. That's from a creeper. Oh, if you play hard on creative mode, I think that could happen if you're on. I think that could happen if you're playing survival mode. There's endermans outside. I never knew that could actually happen. Sheep, some sugarcane. The sheep died. Ooh, right in the butt. Nothing really else to show you here. Over the show. I bet I could hit something. Oh, I missed it. What else is here? This is basically all I made. I mean, I'm not quite done with all this yet. I mean, there's some cows here. It's on the butt. A lot of cows. Actually, okay. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. If you go down here, this is my storage room and where I build stuff. I don't really need it. This is just for design. But I do sometimes use this for storage rooms. I haven't used it anything else. Here I got 2 furnaces, 2 workbenches. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Hello. Why are you up? No. Sit. Don't let me shoot at you. That gives me a good idea. There. Give me a great idea. No. I remember the last time I had 2 dogs, but I killed it because it actually wouldn't come inside with me. So this dog here will not sit. This dog here won't run away because he somehow jumped over a fence. No idea how. Just did. No, sit. Yeah. Ah. There we go. There we go. How the heck did you get out? What? Let me see. What the heck? Get in, get in, get in, now. You don't forget you. That's right, run away. God. See, I built something. But naughty boy, where'd you go? Sheesh. Sheesh. God, I hate it. Pets in this game. I mean, they don't even try to do anything. Well, they do, but I don't know how they get out. I make a tall fence and then they get out. It makes no sense. So, done. Well, that's basically it about this video. Killed my only dog. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.